So Adventure's last update was focused on allowing players to generate the game world and move within it. This update was focused on adding a basic mining system. So when entering a local map, there's a chance that ore deposits are generated. This is a setting that can be changed on the world generation screen. And you can also mod in new ore deposits into the game with XML files. If your character is close enough to the ore deposit, you can click on it and they will start auto mining. You'll notice that a bar in the top right corner will begin to fill up. The higher the character's mining skill, the faster it will fill up. Once full, an ore is added to the character's inventory. Ores can also be modded into the game. Finally, there's a skill screen where you can see your character's current mining level. As of right now, you can't really do anything with the ores that you mine, so the next step is to allow players to sell items in their inventories in towns. While there won't be any buildings yet, I can still mark some of the overworld tiles as towns. Whenever the player enters one of those tiles into the local map, I'll allow the player to trade items to and from the town's market using a screen. While immersion breaking is a good temporary solution until procedurally generated buildings and shops are implemented. And that's it for this update. I made the code for the game publicly available on GitHub in a repo. And if you go to that repo, you can also gain access to each of the game's different versions that you can play. So that's it, and thank you for watching.